What's good with y'all YouTube, man? First off, I want to say thank you to everybody that been showing love, man. Still watching the videos, keeping up with the content, and shout out to all the new subscribers, new people that's viewing the videos and stuff like that, man. I'm back, man. I'm back again, back to show y'all another sneaker, man. And this sneaker, this is actually like my third time copping this sneaker. I actually sold my second pair to get one of my hype sneakers, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, but we back again with this sneaker, man. This shoe right here, I'm happy to show y'all this one, man, because this shoe right here it was a shoe that was going for a lot of money. They restocked it a ton of times, man, and then if you weren't able to cop, you know what I'm saying, like now the resale price is it's dipped a little bit, so that way you don't have to pay that large resale, you know what I'm saying? So let's just get straight to the sneaker, man. Let me know what y'all think. So we're gonna open the box together. It's a 350 box, normal Yeezy box. Y'all know I love Yeezys, man. I probably got like 30 pair of Yeezys. And then size, of course, is that 10 and a half. And then color code reads white, core black, and red. So let's see what's inside, man. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. And peel back that paper, man. And then you got these zebras, man. Why it look like somebody tried mine on? Why it look like somebody tried my shoe on, man. The laces all untied and shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, take a look at this. It's got that zebra colorway, and then with your white and your core black, and then it's got that Supply 350 that people love so much, you know what I'm saying? White bottoms, or it look kind of creamish. I know some pair look creamish, especially probably that old pair that's sitting back there, if y'all can see it. That pair back there, it's probably got cream because I had it for like 2-3 years and I ain't worn them yet. But yeah, man, this is a nice shoe. Now that I got two in the collection, I can finally wear this one. You know what I'm saying, or wear one of them. But yeah, it's a clean shoe, man. I like the zebra design. Like I said, this shoe was going for $1,700 at one point, probably more than that. And people was paying like a lot of money, resale, all of the, and trading a lot of shoes just to get this sneaker right here. Like, and now you look at the resale and it's going for $300 or $320, something like that. I don't know what the market is right now, but it's not super crazy. They retail at $230, and then plus tax, I think I paid like $248, and then shipping came pretty fast. But I was gone, man. I was gone. I went TDY to out of state, so I had to wait to do this unboxing to let y'all view this sneaker. But you got the pull tab on the back. I know they do some Yeezys with and without pull tabs, but this is a classic colorway. It's always came with a pull tab, so I don't think they would change anything like that up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me know what y'all think. White laces. It's very clean, man. It's very clean, you know what I'm saying? I do appreciate this colorway, and it's actually my top, probably my top 350, to be honest with y'all. Like, I just like how different it is. Of course, y'all know me, man. I like different sneakers, so when they look different, I love them, man. You know what I'm saying? And it's a good shoe to rock during the summer too, in case if that's what you into, you know what I'm saying? So, but let me know what y'all think, man. Give me feedback. Let me know what y'all think about this 350. Let me know what y'all think about the review. Do y'all want to see an on foot of this? Y'all want to see me put some fits together? If you don't follow me on IG, man, it's _Millonario _. Follow me on IG. I post some dope pics on there. I deleted a lot of them, but I'm gonna start taking more. But I got some dope pics on there with some fits I put together with different shoes and stuff like that. But let me know if y'all want to see an on foot of this sneaker, or you know you want me to take a picture and you know post it on the gram, whatever. Just to let y'all know what type of fits I put together with this joint to make it kind of like stand out. But yeah, man. Got some other unboxings coming. Gonna do it right after this video. Probably gonna be a double upload day, and then just letting y'all just, you know, I appreciate y'all tapping in, man. I know y'all ain't doing nothing, so hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Come back for the next video, and then keep tapping in with your boy, man. Keep tapping in, man. I'm gonna bring y'all more content. All right, man. Peace.